In this session, I will explain how to prepare table of contents to your document. See, this is normal thing when you are prepare a document, large document, or we can say when you are preparing a book like information, then normally you need to prepare the table of contents to your book or document. So the contents are very larger and the user or reader can easily understand what the information is in your document or in your book, at which page which information you have. Okay, so for that we need to include table of contents. The table of contents automatically itself they will generate page numbers as well as content also. According to the page headings what you set in your document. For example, I am having this kind of information. See how many pages I have? I have 40 pages. In this document, I prepared number of headings like this and subheadings I have. Okay, so many information and content is there. So if you already prepared the content like this with headings, subheadings, etc., finally you come and try to prepare table of content for this. So in reference tab we have the option table of contents. See, provide an overview of your document by adding table of contents. That is what the concept of table of contents. Text using a heading style will be included automatically. To include more entries, select text and click add. Okay, what are the headings you are having? Automatically those contents itself this option generates table of contents using them. So I am clicking here and you can also select that style, what kind of style you need for the table of contents. Different styles are available. So I am selecting the first option. I am clicking here. See, automatically the table of contents prepared. Contents, SQL Server functions, 1, table type of functions, page number 1, and one inside another as per their heading level automatically it will generate. For example, aggregate functions. These are the list of aggregate functions under that one. So in which page they are having, automatically it will generate the page number also. It is showing the page number. See, like this, suppose I don't want this particular picture here, picture also came here, I don't want this, so I am clicking on picture and delete. So totally 39 pages we have, of course 41 pages, up to 39 pages last heading is there. This is the heading of that particular concept. Okay. Initially it will prepare like this, and here we have options update table and add text. So to adding a new text to your table of content, for that suppose I am going to here and I will type something, say bulletin something functions I am giving. So for this you can change its style by using different styles available in the styles area, and you can also expand this. What style you want you can apply. Suppose subtitle, heading 2, like that I can apply. Okay. If you want to add this one also to your table of contents, see, that is not in your table of content. So I want to add that one. So for that, what you will do, you go and reference, update the table, refresh the table of contents, so entire refers to the current page. Try to update the table first, whether it is update entire table, whether it is adding that one or not, we will see. See, built-in functions added. Okay, and second time this picture also came. I don't want this. And next, suppose, for example, I want to add this particular statement as a table of content. So I am selecting that one, and we can add to particular level current presently selected thing, and you can give that as heading to set of SQL Server SQL statements to perform specific tasks, like that. And finally, what you will do, you have to update again, update entire table. Go and see whether that particular, see, entire that paragraph came. If you don't want the paragraph, means you have to give it separately, or otherwise you can remove there also. So like this, suppose I want to add this one as a table of content. Statements are only one operate with functions, like that. I am also applying some subtitle or something like this, and I want to add this text in level 1. Which level you want, you can select. Suppose I want in level 1, and say update table, update entire table, and select statements are like this. You will get, see, in the level 1. Okay, like this we can prepare and we can alter the table of contents to your document.